Let's create an after-hours weekday schedule for the database team. Start by going to Schedules and selecting Calendar. The calendar will open. From the Groups drop-down menu, select the group whose schedule you want to manage. For this demo, select the database team. You can also use the search option in the drop-down to quickly find the group. Select Create Schedule to create a new schedule, then enter a name. For this example, we'll call it After Hours Weekday. You can also click the blue color box to choose a different color for the schedule, making it easier to identify on the calendar. Then, select at least one group member to be notified from the drop-down menu. If you select multiple members, you can drag and reorder them to set their escalation property. The order determines who gets paged first when an alert is sent to the group. Now, configure the after-hours coverage. Set the database team to be on call after 5 p.m. through 9 a.m. the following morning on weekdays, beginning August 17th, 2026. Because we'd like this to be a recurring schedule, click on Recurrence and set it to weekly. Then select all the days you want this team to be on call. Click Save.